Good morning, students. We have completed this chapter number 12. Now we have come to the textbook evaluation. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question is right answer is endodermis. Second one is stem. Third one, xylem phloem arranged side by side on the same radius is called conjoint. Fourth one, it is ethyl alcohol. Fifth one, Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondrial matrix. Sixth one, when H2O is splitted. Now fill in the blanks. First answer is cortex lies between epidermis and pericycle. Second answer is conjoint. Third one, glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm of cell. Fourth answer is the source of oxygen liberated in photosynthesis is H2O, you can write, or you can write water, that word also. Fifth one is mitochondrion, singular form you have to write, is ATP factory of the cell. Now next part we are going to discuss about the state true or false, and if it is false then you have to correct the sentence. The first question is phloem tissue is involved in transport of water in plant. It is false. It's not phloem, you have to write xylem. Xylem tissue is involved in the transport of water in plant. Number 2, the waxy protective covering of a plant is called cuticle. It is true. Now third one, in monocot stem cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. It is false. Then you have to correct it. Monocot stem cambium is absent, and fully you have to write. Fourth one, palisade parenchyma cells occur below the upper epidermis in digot root. It is also false. Palisade parenchyma you can see in leaf only, digot leaf. Fifth one, mesophyll contains chlorophyll. It is true. Now next one, anaerobic respiration produces more ATP than aerobic respiration. No, less ATP than, so it is also false. Then you have to, instead of more you have to write less. Full sentence elidite, you have to write instead of more, less ATP than ATP, then aerobic respiration. Match the following. I have made it. The amphicribal we can see in fern, cambium, secondary growth, amphivasal can be seen dracena, xylem is conduction of water, and phloem translocation of food. Now answer in a sentence. What is collateral vascular bundle? You have to go to the page number. Collateral, beginning of this chapter, collateral vascular bundle. This is page number 174. Collateral, xylem lies towards the center and phloem lies towards the periphery. That you have to write. This only this sentence, because it is a 2 marks question. So this is in page number 174. Page number 174. Number 2, where does the carbon that is used in photosynthesis come from? I have written here, full sentence you have to write. Carbon dioxide in atmosphere is used in photosynthesis. That is the source of carbon in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Third question, what is the common step in aerobic and anaerobic respiration? The common step is glycolysis. That is the important word. Now next question, name the phenomenon by which carbohydrates are oxidized to release ethyl alcohol. The name of that phenomenon is anaerobic respiration. Okay. Now next, Roman letter 6, give an account of vascular bundle or dicot stem. You have to go to the page number 177. Page number 177. Now we have come here, vascular bundle. Here only 3 lines to be written. So I have written here 6 Roman letter, question number 1. Now question number 2. In 6 Roman letter, write a short note on mesophyll. Then you have to go to the page number 179, mesophyll. Question number 6, Roman letter 6, question number 2. Here, this much you have to write. Now, next question is draw and label the structure of oxysomes. You have to come to the page number 183. 183, that is the structure of oxysome. You have to study also what is the structure in a mitochondrial membrane via minute regularly spaced tennis racket shaped particles called the oxysomes. They involve in ATP synthesis. And one more addition, this labeling also. F1 stalk and base. This one is the base. That one also you have to include. Now next question is write the 3 basic tissue systems in flowering plants. This is question number 4. You have to go to the page number 173, beginning of this chapter. 173. Basic system. What are the 3 different types of tissue system? Dermal or epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, vascular tissue system. So you will be getting the 4 marks. Now next question is what is photosynthesis and where in a cell does it occur? Question number 5. Come to the page number 181. Photosynthesis definition already we have told. Question number Roman letter 6, question number 5. That one till here you have to write. Is a process by which autotrophic organisms like green plants, algae and chlorophyll containing bacteria utilize energy from sunlight to synthesize their own food. Now next part of the question is where and in a cell where does it occur? Then in that sentence you have to write it occurs in the organelle chloroplast in a cell or of a cell. Now next question we are going to move, that is question what is respiratory quotient, that is question number 6, page number 184. Respiratory quotient already we have told, and definition along with this formula also to be written. Now 7th question, why should the light dependent reaction occur before the light independent reaction? Write the reaction. So I have written here, I am focusing, just you have to copy in your notebook also. During the light dependent reaction, ATP and NADPH2 are produced, which are needed to reduce CO2 into carbohydrates during light independent reaction. Because of this reason, the light dependent reaction occurs before the light independent reactions. So that is the only this first part, very much important. First part is very much important. Now next question is write the reaction of photosynthesis. I told 2 ways you can write. You can see Roman letter 6, question number 8. You can write this one or you can write this one. Anyone can be written for getting the 4 marks. Very important, that one also. Now next part is long answer. Differentiate the following: monocot and dicot root. Monocot dicot root, it is there in your book, page number 177. Monocot dicot root difference is there. See, I have written Roman letter 7, 1a. Question number 1a part. That is the differences. Now next part of the question is write the differences aerobic and anaerobic respiration. That I have written. Just you keep in your note. It takes place aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, it takes place in absence of oxygen. Next point, 5 points I have written. Complete oxidation of food material takes place under aerobic, and incomplete, only one word is difference, is complete oxidation, incomplete oxidation. The end products of aerobic respiration, CO2, H2O, and the end products in anaerobic respiration is ethyl alcohol and CO2. It takes place in higher plants, it takes place in lower groups of plants. Now, large amount of energy is released in aerobic respiration and less amount of energy is released. This very simple 5 points I have given for you, so to be memorized. The next question is, describe the 3 stages of cellular respiration that aerobic organisms use to obtain energy from glucose. That one in page number 183, already 3 steps we have discussed. Glycolysis, so question Roman letter 7, question number 2, 3 steps are there: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and etc. Till the next page. That is 7 marks question, that's why it is very long. Now next one, how does the light dependent reaction differ from light independent reaction? I have written again, light dependent reaction essential, light is essential for this reaction, light is not needed, light independent. It is also called light reaction, it is called Hill reaction, and light independent reaction, it is also called dark reaction or Calvin cycle. Now it takes place in the membrane of thylakoid, but light independent reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. Very, very important, stroma of chloroplast. What are the products of light dependent reactions? ATP and NADPH2. Here light independent reaction, carbohydrates are produced. So these 4 points are very, very important. It is book back question. It came also so many times in school exams. Now next part of the question, what are the end products and reactants in each? In each means light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. That one also I have written for you. That is, suppose light reaction. 3 steps I have written. The end products or light reactions are ATP and NADPH2. The reactants, what are the things are needed for this reaction? Reactants are H2O and sunlight. And next one, it takes place in, where does it take place? It takes place in the thylakoid membrane. Same way the end products are light independent reactions, carbohydrates and oxygen, that you have to mention. Reactants are CO2, ATP, these 2 things, and CO2. It takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. That is the end of this topic. 8 HOTS question I will give later. Okay, thank you children.